Hello everyone, welcome to my first Photoshop tutorial video. In this video, I want to share a technique for swapping face in two different images. So let's get started. First, we need to select two images that we want to use the face swap. Make sure the faces are clearly visible and facing forward. Open both images in Photoshop. Here, I'm using Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi. And now, let's select the face from the first image using the lasso tool or pen tool to carefully outline the face. Once selected, press Ctrl C to copy it. Next, go to second image and paste the copied face by pressing Ctrl P. Adjust the size and position of the paste face to align with the face in the second image using the transform tool. Ctrl C. To blend the face perfectly, we need to refine the edge, adjust the opacity and flow for a smoother blend. Now, select the pixel on the face layer from the first image to outline the face that we paste on the second image, then adjust the match color in the adjustment from the image menu to match the color of the face with the second image. And lastly, just select, then modify, and select contrast, set the value to 3, then press delete on the background and Ctrl D to deselect the face outline. Now just choose edit from the menu, then select auto blend layers and click OK. And done! You have successfully swapped face in Photoshop. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to get notification for other tutorials. See you next time.